Okay, today they're working on science. They're learning about petroleum, what's behind all the oil refineries, and they're going to be learning about the non-renewable resources and including the oil there. And some students are not familiar with the concept, so this is great so that way they can have the background knowledge.
They're learning a little gist of what the oil and gas industry is about. It goes from history, safety, like their mindsets, kind of what gets their gears rolling, and then how everything else just comes into play for oil and gas.
This year we're doing it with the 5th grade level, so that way they can practice and they're getting ready for their test.
And these kids are still young enough that we can get their minds to take a little bit of it. That way when they get older, they have a better perspective of how our day-to-day life requires oil.
So far, we've been going through these stations to learn about oil. When I was doing it, I was trying to measure the amount of viscosity and trying to see how hot my hand was by measuring the temperature.
I'm learning that oil is a big part of our environment and we need it to live because it's used in everyday products. So I think it's going to help us later on in life if we want to be working in the oil refineries as a boil maker, as an electrician, or somebody that goes offshore.
When we're older, we'll probably have to learn more about oil in middle school, high school, and college. And if anyone wants to grow up and work in an oil factory, this will be helpful to their knowledge.